Hello, everyone. The video shows how to set up Proxy in Telegram app on Android phone. Firstly, click the icon on the top left. Click Settings. Click Data and Storage. Click Proxy Settings. Click Add Proxy.
Select Socks5 Proxy.
Then you can use yiluproxy Dynamic Resident DL IP, Dynamic Data Center IP, 4G/5G Mobile IP, or Pro-R. Residential IP.
Select a country, state, and city. Refresh. Then copy and paste server IP, port, username, and password. Click the icon to save. Now the proxy is added. Then turn on the Use Proxy button. You can select a proxy to connect. You can also use the auto switch proxies. Set the time to switch proxies. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.